Good news! It's never been this easy to make money online. Make $100 per day with this brand new method. Just head over to google.com and sign up and start making some money. It's the perfect time to get started. Whether you're just looking for a way to earn extra cash or saving up for some cool experiences or want to buy something that you've never had the money for, then this video is perfect for you. Did we mention that it's 100% free? Plus, it's available worldwide, so make sure to stick with me until the end of the video to know more about this method and how to make $100 per day just by using Google.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
Google is a platform that has millions, if not billions, of visitors each month. Google is the world's most used search engine and the website with the most number of visits. Who doesn't use Google every single day, right? But I have a question for you. How many of these people have honestly made money using Google? I'm guessing not a lot. Now, I'd like to show you that there are millions of entrepreneurs in the world, millions of businesses registered, and almost all of them are on Google. Don't worry, you don't need an actual business to make this work, but I just wanted to show you that there are millions of businesses worldwide, big or small, and the majority of them are actually listed on Google. You'll know why it actually matters and how it's going to help you make money with Google today. For the first step, I want you to pick a country and focus on that. It doesn't really matter where you're coming from since this method works regardless of where you are in the world. As you can see, we have a long list of countries and I just want you to pick one. Pick one country as well as one city in that country. According to Google, there are thousands of different cities in the world, all from different places. So again, for the first step, pick one country and one city in that country. Now that you've decided on the country and city where you want to focus on, the next step is to choose a business. Think of any physical business such as a restaurant, cafe, maybe a gym, clothing store, or anything that just pops into your head. Now make a list of those businesses and simply focus on one. You should explore some of the different businesses in that city. If we search for a cafe on Google, for example, it will show you all of the different cafes that are in that particular city. We have a complete list right here. Now, if we go to view, all that you'll see is a list of hundreds, if not thousands, of various businesses in that city. As you can see, there are thousands of different cafes. We have several pages with several cafes on each one. That's a lot of different businesses for just one city. And as you can see, there are over 1,000 different cities from around the world, each with hundreds of different businesses. Now, I strongly suggest that you focus on one country, one city, and one specific business because we'll be backing up those businesses. There's no need to worry, you won't have to do any services for them because I'll show you how to become a middleman and earn money without having to do any work yourself. No, you won't be doing affiliate marketing or anything like that. Instead, I'll show you a solid business strategy that I've been using for quite some time now. I want you to head over to peopleperhour.com. This is a freelancing platform. They have different jobs available here. They have tech and programming, writing and translation, design, digital marketing, video, photo and image, business, music and audio, marketing, branding and sales, and lastly, social media. They can outsource everything involved in running their businesses to us. All of that is available on these various freelancing platforms, and all you have to do is engage with these business owners and say, hey, I can do this service for you, like running your social media accounts for a month. And I'll show you exactly how to do it in a few minutes.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
Once they pay you around $450 for that service, they will continue to pay you that $450 per month. You may just go to other freelancing platforms and find experienced freelancers who will do it for a lower price. For example, you could find someone who would do it for $250 a month and keep the remaining $200 in your pocket. As a middleman, or simply by dropping services from various freelancing platforms, this is how you make money. I want you to head over to Upwork.com. This is a website where you can create your own job listings. Now you can simply go to Upwork and list that job for a lower price. What that will do is that people would now start bidding, and since this is a big website with lots of different freelancers, people are competing here to stand out from the crowd. They list their services for a very low price. So you'll have a bunch of freelancers competing for your service and finish that service at a cheaper price. But you will also have others who will bid for a much lower price, so you may also consider them too. You just have to make sure that you choose the right freelancer. Make sure they're going to do a good job and that they're going to be able to complete it. You're making some profit now, and for that one single client, you make thousands of dollars each month. Find 10 different clients or business owners, and you've now made $100 each day using just Google. Now, how do you actually contact those business owners and sell them your services? What would you say to them? There are 2 ways for actually achieving this. First is to visit their website, find their contact information, and make the bold move of calling them or sending them an email to inquire about the services you offer. Tell them why they would hire you, and then, of course, provide them your payment information. But don't do that in the first email. Simply introduce yourself, tell them how you can help them, what services you can offer them, and if they're interested, you may give them your payment information right away. The issue with the first one is that you will have nothing to fall back on. You're simply a random individual contacting or emailing them, and they have no idea what services you're offering, or whether you're going to defraud them or what. But if you have a business or your own listing where they can look up who you are and see your portfolio, that will definitely make a huge difference. They can look into the services you provide. If you're not just telling them over the phone, but clearly showing them, it'll be a lot easier to sell them something, and they'll have a lot more faith in you. One way of doing this is to list your service on a freelancing website such as Fiverr.com. Also, once you list your service on Fiverr, such as a social media management service, you can not only get free visitors from Google, but you can also direct those business owners to your Fiverr listing. It will also help you rank better on Fiverr and generate some sales. So, after a while, you may stop using Google and still make money from Fiverr. You can contact those business owners using Google. Create a listing on a freelancing website to boost your sales, and then once you reach out to all those business owners, refer them to your listing so that they can book directly on that platform, making it more fun and easy to get a sale. Once they place an order and pay you, all you have to do is find a freelancer who will do it for a lower price and keep the profit. That is how you can lend a hand to all of these business owners. Thousands of different businesses from thousands of different cities in the world need your help, because most of them are too busy running their businesses, and most of them don't have time to handle things like social media marketing, social media management, creating posts, or web design. Even though it costs them customers, they don't have the time and energy to do it. So if you can step in and solve that problem, they'll be willing to pay you every month, and you don't need many clients to make a full-time job doing this right now. I'm not telling you it's going to be that simple. It will surely take much of your time and effort, but it will surely all pay off in the end.
And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.